Hi guys and good morning everyone and welcome to our live. Today is February 22 guys. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. I need to fold this guy. And then I load one load today. The sun comes out and then now is look like rain is coming guys. Yesterday off and on ang rain guys. I watched Marisa video guys and 3 days na rainy to her area and some area is flooded. My goodness. If the rain is continue, guys, even the rain is not too much strong. The low area is flooded. So dangerous. And then the ano, guys, the farmers, guys, destroy their ano, rice. And feel sorry to the hardworking farmers, guys. My parent is farmer also, guys. But now, guys, nobody farming to our family because my family is, some of my brother is working in abroad. And some is working in construction, something like that. So, nobody farming now to our family, guys. So, that's why our land, guys, in the mountain is no more planting. Since my brother passed away 3 years ago, no one to take care of farm in the mountain. That is sayang, guys, kasi that is 23 hectare, guys, in the mountain. Last time, when my parents is still younger, guys, they planting different kind of plant in the mountain. I was remember when I am elementary, guys, every weekends, we need to help our parents to the farm, removing the grass. So when I'm kid, guys, no reason to go play. Now, the kid now is very lazy, guys. The kid now very lazy. Even eating, holding the phone. My goodness. I think much better. No gadget, guys. When I'm kid, no gadget, guys. Living in the mountain. So, for school home lang, guys. School home. After school, you need to back home because you need to get water, get wood, take care the pig, the goat, and buffalo, something like that, guys. And then you do cooking. I remember when I'm grade school, guys, we cook my own food. We wake up 4 a.m. to cook food. And then 6 a.m. you need to leave the house because we need to walk 2 hours, guys, from the house to the school. Imagine mo, guys. And then up an hill. And then pass by the Three River. That's our life when I'm elementary. Now, our niece and nephew now is very lucky. They live in the city, guys. And then the ride, even you need to only 30 minutes, 20 minutes from house to school. the ride guy, and then they don't go to the school if no money to pay the ride. My goodness. But me before we need to walk 2 hours to go to school guy. Like that. It's only the new generation now is different to our generation. Because lot now of gadget and friends. Instead to help the parents in no class guy, what they do? Going somewhere, roaming around with friends, something like that. And then it's lazy because sometimes they don't go to school, and then they don't go to work. Goodness. As a parent, you need to teach your kid being independent, not teach your kid being lazy. Because life is not easy. You need to work. You need to work for money. If you have no money, how to survive? So that's why when the time I'm graduating in high school, I decided to going to work, guys. I work hard in Manila since 1993 until 2015, guys. I work for 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we do extra income. Because na the salary in the Philippines very cheap. Imagine mo, guys, our salary last time, 2015, is 395 8 hours. Very cheap, so that's why more Filipino going to the other country instead of work to their own country because of the salary very cheap. I have brother in Saudi and I have brother in cruise ship, and now my niece is applied on 22 Friday. Just the day my niece applied going to Saudi, because if you going to Saudi, guys, look like easy. So that's why more Filipino going to Saudi. Even I know Saudi is not really safe. Mostly of the girl going over there, but her job is cleaner in the hotel. Cleaner like that. My niece is stop her study. Only second year in college. They need to stop because, of course, the parent can afford to continue what is called that, the study, so need to stop. Because I have lot of niece guy and nephew. I think my niece and nephew is 30. That's a lot. And then I have grandkid na, I think 8. My goodness. That's a lot, guy. Because our sibling is 12, guy. Only me, one of the sibling is no kid. Everybody have kid. Because I'm got a married older guy. I got married for 42 years old. Some of my brother and sister married very early, late 20s, something like that. But because I'm working hard last time, I don't married. I don't like to marry very early. So that's why I got married on 42 years old. Because I am the breadwinner of my family last time. I helping my brother, sister, and also my niece. We stopped helping them when I got married last 2015. Because of course I have no job. But sometimes my husband is helping also to my niece, mostly if they want to going abroad. My husband is helped. The weather now, your guy is very, I don't know. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So that's why sometimes I'm cooking because of the weather. Weather now is 57, but it's cold outside, guy. I'm thinking to clean up outside, but I cannot do that because it's cold. So that's why inside here in the house I'm wearing. Oh, and then, guy. See you later, guy. Hi, guy. Good morning. Update, guy. For our senior. This is for this, not today, guy. Let's open, guy, because already grow. At that. Oh, see? This one is not grow. Still have. Maybe have they have. Still have. So, this one paper. Yeah, it's grow, guy. I wonder why this is so yellow. Only this is not so much, but still grow, guy. Sabi. For this pa lang yan, guy. Look at that. It's grow already. However, here guys, seen niya also. This is for this. Look, wow. This one, tree grow. Good seed. One. One. And that one. I think this are still growing. This one grew din. But still not too much grow. So we need to cover back again. This one, guy. That paper. Yeah, very nice for this. Grocery shopping from Walmart, guy. Last week of February. Hot choco, white vinegar, creamer, Mountain Dew, pizza, Oreo, bread, Clementine, onion, toaster strada, Pismanda, coconut, ground beef, pepper plate, cheese, mac and cheese, spring onion, asparagus chip. The asparagus here is cheap there compared to the Philippines, and potato, lemon, egg, butter. Wow, the avocado still green though. I think they took 1 week before ripe. Banana. We bought this guy because this is reduced the price. Pepper. Black cheese. This one, Yakult. Oh my goodness. The Yakult here guy almost $3. 5 times the price in the Philippines, guy. The Yakult here. And bread. Broccoli. Egg and bacon. And the one broccoli is broken, guy. We need to throw this. Open na broke. So we need to throw that too. And everything, the total is, imagine mo, $114.76, guy. or 6,726. Only 1 week, guy, grocery shopping. We spend that kind of money. Hi, guy. Good morning. I'm so excited to open this, guy. How many pound this? 2 pound? This is, my husband bought this guy in, Blogger live selling, guy. This is 1 kilo of passion jewelry, guy. So, we need to open, guy. That's a lot of passion jewelry. I'm so excited, guy. Huh? That's a lot of jewelry, guy. First, this one. And that one. So, let's open, guy, and show you what I got. Imagine mo, guy, 2 pounds of jewelry. That's a lot. You see, guys? Oh, wow! Amazing. Thank you, mahal. I show you, guys. This is the first package. Wow, that. Ay, uy. This is earrings. I show you, guys. Oh, wow. This is a watch. Usually, this is I think battery. I put battery over here. A watch. And this one, guy. Oh, wow. What is this? I think this is in the hips over here. Yeah, in the hips, guy. Wait, too big money. Is that over here? Too big. I don't know if over here to, guy. I'm not sure if. Yes, over here. Very big. Yeah. And the other one, this one. This one. I think you can do smaller. This right over here. Yeah. You can do yourself like that. So, yeah. Mm. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Right? Put to your hands. You can not you need to remove like that. And next, this one, guy. This one also necklace, eh. Necklace ba? Yeah, necklace, guy. And next, this one necklace also. What is this? I don't know, guy. What is this? How like this? Oh, Rose. The name is Rose. Yeah, this one. That is the guy. Okay. This is the look like earrings. Hopefully have partner this. This one necklace one to, guy. This is necklace. I don't know what is this. This one is, what is this? Why is they like that? And the other watch. But this is kid watch, I think. Yeah. It's not ito, maybe. Ay, very Very tight to me. It's scared. Scared, guy. And the other one. Oh, I don't know what is this. Ay, you need to assemble this. Symbol like jewelry, guy. That's a lot, guy. I don't know. Ah, this one earring. The problem, guy, only one part. This one, no more partner. Mm, I think this one is not good na eh. Oh, rusty. It's so dark. You cannot wear this. This, mm, this one. I don't know why. This one, no partner. Why they give this and no partner? This one, I don't know. This is the big. So very big. And this one, what is called this? Ah, this is earring. And that's it's in the first box, guys. Mm. Hopefully the other one is good. And this one, guys. The second batch, this one. This is the second. This is the second. So first, this is. Why only one, guy? No more partner. How to use that if you're wearing? It's not good. This one also good. That one jewelry. I don't know what is this. This one is small for the kid. This one. Bangles, guy. Very big. I don't know what is this. This one too small. Mm, mm, This mm, and this one. Hopefully, is this ano original? Hopefully, this is original. This is gold. Hopefully, I think gold to guy. This is nice. What's the name of this? Let's read, guy. Hopefully, that is original gold, guy. Mm, Virgo. Virgo, August 23 and September 22. Let's see. Maybe this is. Okay. Oh, I like this. Do you think this is real? I don't know, guy. I don't know if that's real. And the other one, this one. Okay. Oh, magnet. Magnet man to. Magnet siya kay. Adjustable. And this one. Cute. This one. Ito, hindi man ito tunay guys kayo. Gano'n na siya. And this one. Look like pink. This one. This. Is this earrings? This one. What is this? Maybe you can put that over here also. Maybe. You can put that. It changes. And now, this one. It's very big. Okay, going to the ano. This one, what is this? I don't know what is. Earrings ba yan? The problem is only one. How to wear that? This one, good bangle. I like this bangle. And this one. Keep going. And that's it, guys. Everything is that's it. I need to planting, guys. This is ano, marigold. This is the seeds of marigold, guys. We saved the seeds last year, guys. Look at this guy. The sunflower. And look at the seeds. It's white and too big. This is what is it? 65 days? You mean 65 days to bloom? You mean not flowering? Bloom is flowering, no? 65 days only? Oh, I think so. Look at that guy. 2, 4, 6, 9 pieces only inside. And this is expensive guy, 150. $2.99 guy, oh. So expensive. Hopefully this is grow. Try. We need to stick that guy like before. Look at that guy. We're starting na, seedling. Nagpunla na ako guys, seedling. That's all. 5 days in niya. Yeah.